Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Welcome back to mathematics class. On your videos, sit properly and take out the textbook and running notes and pencil, eraser, sharpener. Okay, in yesterday's class, we discussed about fraction subtraction. How to solve fraction subtractions. In today's class, we will discuss about fraction subtraction word problems. How to solve word problems, fraction subtractions. Okay? Exercise 5.13. Take out the textbook. No. Completed. No teaching. Okay. Take out the textbook. In your textbook. Page number 95. From revision exercise, subtraction word problems. Okay, subtractions word problems. Fraction subtraction word problem. Now I am explaining fractions. In fractions, word problems, subtractions. Okay. And an iron rod is iron rod is 7 whole 1 by 2 meters. Meters long. Next. From this rod a piece 3 whole 8 by 15 meters long is cut off. What is the length of the remaining rod? What is the length of the remaining rod? First you read the problem, children. First. An iron rod is 7 whole 1 by 2 meters long. Okay, length of an iron rod. First step is, first you read the problem and you understand problem. First, what is 7 whole 1 by 2? What is 7 whole 1 by 2 meters? Length of iron rod. So first step is length of iron rod. First of all, we have to write first step. What is the first statement? Length of iron rod. Okay, length of iron rod 7 whole 1 by 2 meters. From this rod, from this iron rod, a piece 3 whole 8 by 15 meters long is cut off. Is cut off. Cut off piece. Length of cut off piece. The length of cut off piece. Cut off iron rod. What is the length? 3 whole 8 by 15. 3 whole 8 by 15. Now we have to find out the length of the remaining rod. The length of the remaining rod. What is the length of the remaining rod? Okay, we have to find out remaining rod length. So first step. Length of length of an iron rod. 7 holes 1/2 meters. Next, from this rod a piece 3 hole 8/15 meters long is cut off. Length of cut off iron rod. Iron rod equal 3 hole 8/15. Find out the length of the remaining rod. Okay, length of the remaining rod. Remaining difference. How much less, how much greater. These terms we are used for subtraction. Okay, these terms used for subtraction. So what is the length of the remaining rod? So what we do here? Subtraction. We have to do subtraction. Length of the remaining rod. Meters. 7 whole 1/2 minus 3 whole 8/15. Subtract these fractions. Once you log out and log in, Joy Monica. Once you log out first, again leave the meeting and again you open the link. Seven whole 1/2 minus 3 whole 8/15. First, these fractions are mixed fractions. First, these fractions are mixed fractions. Change into improper fraction. 7 whole 1/2 equal 7 into 2 plus 1/2. Whole number into denominator plus numerator. 7 into 2 plus 1/2. 7 2s are 14. 14 plus 1, 15. Very good, Vignesh. 15/2. Okay, same. Next fraction also change into improper fraction. 3 whole 8/15. 3 into 15 plus 8/15. 3 15s are 45. 45 plus 8. 45 plus 8. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 8. 53. 53/15. Okay, 53/15. Now, subtract these fractions. Okay, 15/2 minus 53/15. 15/2 minus 53/15. Minus 53/15. Now, these fractions are improper fractions and unlike fractions also. Because here denominators are different order. So, change into like fraction. So, what we do? Take LCM of denominators. LCM of denominators. Here denominators are 2 and 5. What is the LCM of 2 and 5? 2 and 15. What is the LCM of 2 and 15? Say children. LCM. LCM of 2, 15 is. What is the LCM? Vignesh, Manisha, Shivateja, Manikanta. No. 15 is common, not common multiple, amma. In 2 table 15 will come. Girl? 2 and 15. What is the common multiple of 2 and 15? 30. 2 15s are 30. 2 15s are 30 and 15 2s also 30. 15 2s are 30. So LCM common here, common multiple is 30. Least common multiple also 30. So what is the LCM? 30. Very good, Mansindana. 30 is LCM. Now here denominator here 2 is there. 15 by 2 minus 53 by 15. Here denominators are different are there. So here denominators you have to change into 30. 30. So here multiply by which number? Here multiply by which number? Just you have to think. 15 into 15 by 2 into 15. Because here 2 15s are 30. Next here 53 into 2 by 15 into 2. Here 15 2s are 30. In not only in denominator, in numerator also you multiply by same number. Here 15 and here also 15. Here 2 and here also 2. Then we will get in denominator same number 30 30. 15 15s are 225 by 30 minus 53 2s are 2 3s are 6 and 2 5s are 10 by 30. Question correct only first. Okay. Subtract 225 minus 106. By 30. What is the difference? 225 minus 106. What is the difference of two numbers? Subtract times each other. Say anyone. 225 minus 106. Bhavyasri raised a hand. First on your video, ma. Bhavyasri, on your video. Yes, very good. 119. 30. 119 by 30 is improper fraction. Okay, 119 by 30 is improper fraction. Now you change into mixed fraction. 119. 225 minus 106 by 30. 119 by 30. 119 divided by 30. 33 is 90. 9, 2. So 3 whole 29 by 30. 3 whole 29 by 30 is answer. Last confirmation there. What is the confirmation? The length of the remaining rod. The length of remaining rod, remaining iron rod. 3 whole 29 by 30. This is the answer. And meters. Okay. First of all, we have to write steps. Read the problem and you understand first problem. After you have to write steps. First, what given in this question, in this problem? First, iron rod length given. Next, the length of cut of iron rod also given. Next, we have to find out length of the remaining rod. What we do? Subtraction. Remaining word are used for subtraction. Subtract. 7 whole 1 by 2 minus 3 whole 8 by 15. These fractions are mixed fractions. So we have to change here improper fractions. 15 by 2 and 53 by 15. These fractions you have to subtract. How to subtract? First, here these fractions are unlike fractions. Yes, here denominators are different are there. So change into like fractions. We take LCM. LCM of 2 and 15 is 30. Here denominator you want 30, but here 2 is there. What we do? You multiply by some number. Which number? With which number? 15. 2 15s are 30. Next here 15 2s are 30. Not only in denominator, in numerator also you multiply same number. 15 15s are 225. Next 2 15s are 30. Next 53 2s are 106 by 15 2s are 30. 225 minus 106. Here these fractions are like fractions. Like fraction subtraction we have to do very easily. Just new denominator what is there, that one right I subtract the numerators. 225 minus 106, 119. 119 by 30. That is changed into mixed fraction. What is the mixed fraction of 119 by 30? 3 whole 29 by 30. That is only answer. That is only the length of remaining rod. The length of remaining rod is 3 whole 29 by 30 meters. Okay. Fraction subtraction. From revision exercise, I explained this problem. Fraction subtractions. Once take out the textbook, children. First, how to do fraction subtraction. I hope you understand. Some previous classes notes we are explaining. I am explaining. But how to do subtraction. First, given fractions, which fractions? First, you have to think those fractions we have to change into improper fractions or unlike fractions given, we have to change into like fractions. After we have to do subtraction. Okay. Next, take out the textbook. Once take your textbook, all of you. In your textbook, page number 93. Page number 93. Review exercise is there. See once, fill in the blanks. Try to your own. Okay? Fill in the blanks. Complete your own, children, in your textbook. Next, second bit, match the following. Second bit in your textbook. Page number 93. Second bit, match the following is there. That one also you have to complete your own in your textbook. And third bit is greater than, less than, equal symbols. Greater than, less than, equal symbols are there. How to put greater than or how to put less than given fractions. You have to complete your own. Next, fourth bit. Write equivalent fractions. How to write equivalent fractions? Now I will say. Fourth bit I will say. Next, lowest terms. Lowest terms also in this bit 4 problems are there. Each bit 2 problems I will explain. Remaining 2 problems you complete your own. Okay. Next, 6th bit change into improper fraction. Next, 7th bit change into mixed fraction. Next, 8th bit is addition, fraction addition. Next bit is fraction subtraction. Next bit is write true or false. Okay. You complete these one. in your running notes, CW. And if sufficient place is there in your textbook, you complete in your textbook also. Did you understand, Amma? Today's homework is review exercise, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit, fifth bit, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay, these bits you complete. Very easy only. Some are bits in your textbook only complete. Remaining bits you complete in your notebook. Okay. Then if you have any doubt, you ask me. You call me. In tomorrow class I will explain. Okay. Don't fear. Okay. Next to do the following sums here. Review exercise. 11th bit to do the following sums is there. About this bit. Just simply here given fractions, subtractions and fractions, additions given. But problems are addition of fractions and addition of subtractions given. Okay. Already I explained addition and subtractions of fractions. So you have to try to do first. Try to your own. Just I hope you how to write steps you are thinking. Yes, children. I think that is only your problem, how to write steps. But addition and subtraction, you know very well. How to do also, you know, that's why you have to complete also. But how to write steps, you don't know. Just try it, children. Write it. In question what given, first you have to read and write the steps, meaningful steps, write down. Okay? At least you try to do addition and subtraction also. First of all. Don't message. Hi, hello. Ayan, I think. Ayan. Don't message God. Okay, children. Write down. Review exercise. Fourth bit. Write 3 equivalent fractions for each of the following. Write 3 equivalent fractions for each of the following. First one. What is first one? 3 by 5. For 3 by 5. 3 by 5 equivalent fractions, how to write it? Just you have to multiply by same number in numerator and denominator. That is only equivalent fraction of given fraction. You have to multiply by same number in numerator and denominator. Then we will get one fraction. That is only equivalent fraction of given fraction. For example, I multiply by 2. 6, 9, 12. Okay, 3 to the 6. 3 into 2, 6. 5 into 2, 10. 3 to the 6, 5 to the 10. 6 by 10 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Next, multiply by 3. Here and here, numerator and denominator, you multiply by 3. 3 3 is 9 and 5 3 is 15. This is also equivalent fraction of this fraction. Okay. Next, multiply by 4 for this fraction and say answer. Here multiply by 4 and here also you multiply by 4. 3 fours are 12. Next 5 fours are 20. What is the fraction? Say fraction. 3 fours are 12. 5 fours are 20. Okay. 12 by 20 is equivalent fraction of given fraction. 12 by 20. Okay. These are equivalent fraction of given fraction. Okay. Some more fractions also have, but here given write 3 equivalent fractions. Okay. Here given in bit write 3 equivalent fractions only. That's why I written here 3 equivalent fractions only. 6 by 10, 9 by 15, 12 by 20. Okay. Dandika Shivateja, do you have doubt, boy? Okay. In your mobile, keep it on mute and ask what is your doubt. Shivateja, do you have doubt? No? Why you raised your hand? Okay. How to find out equivalent fraction? Just we have to multiply by same number in numerator and denominator. Same like this. 3 into 2, 5 into 2. Then we will get 6 by 10. This is only equivalent fraction of this fraction. Okay? Next, same. You take 3 by 5 fraction only. Multiply by 3. In numerator and denominator also. 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. This 9 by 15 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Okay? 9 by 15 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. 9 by 15 and 12 by 20 also equivalent fraction of 3 by 5. Okay? Next remaining you complete in your textbook children. Remaining 3 are there, you complete in your textbook. Next, how to change into lowest terms, 5th bit. Fifth bit. Change into lowest terms. First, what is 32 by 48? Change into lowest terms. What is change into lowest terms? Lowest terms nothing but just simplification. We have to do simplification. Okay. What is your doubt, Amma Manichandana? Just listen first of all. 32 divided by 16 and 48 divided by 16. 16 2s are 32. 16 3s are 48. 2 by 3 is lowest term. Okay. After cancelling, after simplification, we get answer 2 by 3. This is only lowest terms. Change into lowest terms. Okay. Manichandana, once in your mobile, keep it unmute and ask. Ask fast.
Teacher, 9 by 15, how to came, teacher? 9 by 15 ఎలా వచ్చింది? First 9 by 15.
Just you multiply by 3. Multiply by 3. By 3. You can find denominator.
9 by 15, teacher.
Yes, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15, 9 by 15.
Okay, teacher.
Next.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, now what happened, Amma? Starting time 29 members are present. Now 26 members only present. Same attendance continue in next class also. Don't absent. Next classes are. And Telugu and EVS. Okay? First of all, once you see fifth unit, fractions unit, in this unit, if you have any doubt, you ask me in next class. Okay, in tomorrow class you ask, then I will clarify your doubts. Okay, you call me also, nothing will happen. Without fear, you call me. Then if you have any doubts, in tomorrow class I will explain. Lowest terms you complete in your textbook and write equivalent fraction of given fraction also. Okay? Okay children? Thank you children.